Friends, welcome back. Today's our debate topic is which is better, online shopping or offline shopping is better. Okay, so we have got two groups here. One group is in favor of
Online shopping.
you are in favor of online shopping, है ना? And you guys,
Offline shopping.
you people are saying so. You have to prove offline shopping is better. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start? Okay, so he's going to start. So online shopping is better. How? Hmm.
Online shopping is better because we get everything in one. But in offline shopping, we don't need to travel all over the world and to find other shop for other product in online shopping because it is through home. Second is that it doesn't have wastage of time because everything happen through home. Third is that online shopping has more money saving offers than the offline shopping. One offer goes and second comes, and the last is sometimes the product we can't get the product that we want,
Yes.
and we have to buy other product like it. But in online shopping we get every types of variety. So online shopping.
How many times have you done online shopping?
I have done more than
Many times.
many times.
Okay. So every time it was successful.
First or second time it was not successful, but later it.
You learned from your experiences. Yes.
I'm with online shopping because we don't want to go outside from buy any product, any things. We can easily buy any product on online. We have many offers and many varieties. And now today we see in same rate we buy one get one on same price. So I think online shopping is best.
Okay. They are in favor of you. So now 1 point from offline shopping. Do you have any question? Whatever they said.
Yes, sir. Sir, Didi said that in online shopping buy one get one free. But now in Nimach Vishal Mega Mart you can go. So buy one get one free also.
So it's lower price. But you want to travel and suffer with outside atmosphere. But in online shopping we don't want to go outside.
And they
So we
offer
go
really
outside, so it is good for our health.
And they offer really, but in online shopping, there are offers one by one.
Yes. Yes. Kartav, yes.
In online shopping, there are the peoples make lazy that we on start a phone and go an app and we want to what we want to buy, so we search and we buy. So that is become people lazy.
That makes people lazy. Have you ever done online shopping? Okay. Yes, Aryan has a point. अगर सारे पत्ते भी खोल देंगे तो क्या होगा? Yes, हाँ. Yes.
Online shopping is better because we cannot go outside and we cannot
Suffer with outside.
हाँ, we don't need to, है ना?
सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं अपनी स्किन खराब हो जाती
हाँ. हाँ. So many disadvantages when we do makeup. Makeup is so.
You can go in evening.
Yes. Yes.
सर बोलने
In online shopping, sir,
One by one, please. One by one.
इनके बाद मैं बोलूँगा
Just a minute. हाँ, yes, yes.
सर मुझे ये बोलना है कि अपन यहाँ से वही ब्रांडेड चीज़ खरीदते बट यहाँ 2000 की मिलेगी, बट वही ऑनलाइन अपने को बहुत ही सस्ती और बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट.
Okay. So in online the prices are cheaper. You mean to say that?
Yes.
Even branded products you get
Yes.
for cheap.
Sir, in
हाँ.
online we get cheaper than offline because if there is any festival they get discount of any. Otherwise sir मतलब अलग से तो वो discount देती है और दिवाली पे और देते दिवाली होली festival.
I mean there are sales, है ना? That is called sale, Diwali sale or like that, है ना?
Diwali sale.
So you get so many things. Yes. Now offline also we have to give chance to offline also. Yes.
Offline shopping, we have touched the product and shows their benefits and disadvantage. In online shopping, you only search the photos and their headings on there of products. In suppose we are buying a clothes product, so we can touch the clothes and
Feel.
how to what is quality of that. And in online shopping we can see only photos, and there be online
we can get
2 or 3 days. Whereas in offline shopping we get and come and home.
But online shopping save over time.
Sir, but in online shopping, he said that. Sir, मतलब उसमें
means there is sometimes difference between the actual photo and the product. Like there are there are mobiles which have good qualities, है ना? Like you can take example of your own photo. You can take example of your own photo. DP shows something different and you are something different. The mobile makes you very fair, है ना? Yes.
But now we have returning option.
Online shopping is better because we get half time. We get
Sir, in midnight we also buy from mobile also. We are not sleeping.
We can shop anytime. We can shop anytime. Yes.
So we doesn't want to go outside, so we shopping in our house and anywhere. And online shopping also save our time. And in 75% online shopping have new collection, and the same offline shopping in shop comes new collection months and years. Many times they call.
Sir, with the help of online shopping, we get food nowadays on Zomato and many other apps.
Yes.
We don't want to go outside.
Yes.
In online shopping we get products from foreign also, and the product itself comes to us by delivery. We don't need to go so far.
Means living in a village also, you can
It is
buy branded products. Yes. Any other point? Offline there are. Say something. Any other point? Offline shopping. Yes, Suren. Yes, you tell.
Sir, in offline shopping
Dipanshu
we
Singh,
can buy anything, and in online shopping, like there are 1 and 2 photos, and their photos are very looking good, but actually their product is not very good. And in offline shopping we can touch and see whatever we want, and we do for sir हम उसको चला के भी देख सकते हैं.
We can try it also.
Yes, sir, we can try it also. And in online shopping we cannot try. There is only 1 and 2 photos.
Yes.
But the return policy also like 30 days, 1 month.
Yes, sir. But we can
One bar.
But if you are also given, we see a review.
Yes.
You can see the review. You can see the review.
Sir, we can give it again.
I'm coming to you.
We can give it again in one month. It is sir अपन 1 महीने तक दे सकते हैं.
Sir, पहले के अपन दे सकते हैं.
ऑनलाइन.
Okay.
Sir, but people give experience. They मतलब उनको कैसी चीज हुई है वो बताते हैं. Experience to take photo.
So you can see the review. We can see the review.
Sir, but online shopping, Google does not force us to buy this, but shopkeeper was forced us to buy.
If you go there, you don't buy, so they will say कि कुछ लेना वेना नहीं हो तो आया जाए मत करो.
It is right now, but Google does not force us.
Yes, sir.
Also, convert buy to online shopping because Google Pay and Phone Pay.
Sir, cash on
That is.
in money.
Yes, one by one. Yes.
Sir, if we buy a big thing and it has mistakes, so we return it, so we only not get refund. We also get other thing in return of it, which is expensive.
Yes.
But
Okay.
offline shopping, we don't get to return.
ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग डजंट गिव यू द फैसिलिटी ऑफ क्रेडिट. उधार की सुविधा नहीं देते हैं. बट ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग यू समटाइम्स गेट द फैसिलिटी ऑफ क्रेडिट. उधारी कर सकते.
In online shopping you get everything. He will come deliver
This is also
5
point.
days, and offline shopping you can buy that very day.
But
it's
this is
also-
not a branded. But this is not a branded thing.
Sir, but sometimes we go
Huh.
shop, so shopkeeper is going out. So what can we do? It is an emergency thing. So what can we do?
Like
There are many
like bottle.
Only one can be
Like injections, like medical things.
Right.
And the pointer.
Sir, offline.
ऑफलाइन के फेवर में यस देयर इज अ पॉइंट इन फेवर ऑफ ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग यस
Sir, we get the thing that we want in only 1.5 hour. So that's we get online in 4 or 5 days. And then otherwise that also thing is not good sometimes.
राइट
So many times online shopping, we buy a magazine. In this magazine, there are many options to smell perfume nowadays. We smell and we can order. So this is also now.
इट्स अबाउट ओनली परफ्यूम यू कैन नॉट ट्राई ड्रेस
Say, but we have return option. If you like it, so you will take, or you doesn't like it, so you will return it. So you.
how many times can you do that and how many times would you like to do that if you go to any shop okay you want to purchase a dress okay you want to buy a t-shirt or anything like that so you can try so many t-shirts at a time
And sir,
Okay.
we have to travel many shops. Sir, many shop owners don't give discount to the new customers. But in online shopping, I said that there are many offers of discount, so money is saved.
So
We do shopping. We do big shopping. So as also give super coins and we do use in next shopping.
1 point
Third point.
yes yes Nama wants to
We should buy a cloth so वो फटा हुआ आ जाता है
sometimes it is torn
sometimes.
समटाइम्स इट इज स्टोन पर वो शायद डिजाइन होती होगी उसकी देयर आर डिजाइन ऑल्सो ना कौन सी जीन्स बोलते हैं उसको डेमेज दैट इज वेरी कॉस्टली यस
Online shopping we get offer and we make a new ID and buy things and online shopping offer we make a new ID like name of Arnav Bharti and like name of Arnav Bharti and like name of Falana
so and so okay
and offline shopping
Sir, in offline shopping we can buy. There is no ID to submit it.
when you do offline shopping you have good terms with the local people if there is any calamity any problem so who will help you local people will help you na
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's our relation. In our relation, they don't give us a discount, so it is very bad thing. He's also ashamed for that, and we are also. In lockdown time, sir, no service only 25 days, but offline 30, sir, 2 months, 3 months. और sir service भी उनकी काफी 2 months they were wearing
Yes.
2 gloves and very safely they can give us.
so we are running out of time so let us finish it the topic has been very good you participated very well you brought some very interesting points okay so in the same way I'll give you another topic okay so we are going to finish it in both the cases है ना like in online shopping there are so many advantages but with this some disadvantages are there
Yes,
and vice versa
Yes, sir.
okay